The mission of the governor of Aceh, the most important thing right now is education. So we have to focus on education. I
Right.
think not just the formal education, but what we call vocational education.
Vocation.
Oh, because many young generation that lost school,
Yeah,
we
yeah.
need to take care of. They need training for vocational
Good.
school. I think this is very important.
Right.
So to reduce what we call so many young generation do not have job, right?
Yeah. Right.
So with skill they have, with training they, we hope that can create job for them. The second I think is the most important thing is economic development. Economic development not just based on industry, but also Aceh is 75% of Aceh is farmland. The land of the Aceh is 75% is farm. I think we need to improve what we call agriculture based on technology.